Hello everyone! Are you also a pasta lover like me? If yes, then I'll show you an easy peasy cheesy pasta but a one pot meal pasta. When I have said one pot meal, as you know, my mom is a one pot meal queen. So do check the link here where she has shown a yummy and interesting one pot meal. Isn't it looking delicious? Let's start making this easy one pot meal. To make this easy recipe, I've taken some tomatoes, mushrooms, broccoli, baby corn, capsicum, spring onion and some garlic. You can choose any vegetable you want to add into your pasta. Now let's start chopping the vegetables. Here you have a quick tip on how you can peel a garlic clove easily without any hassle. Now that we are done with chopping, let's start cooking by adding some oil and some butter. Let it melt and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and chopped garlic. Now let's start adding the chopped vegetables into the dish. I've added some onion, added some broccoli, some baby corn, some tomatoes, some spring onions and some mushrooms, capsicum, and give it a good mix. Let them fry for some time. I also had some sweet corn and I added them too. Now let's make the masala mixture. I've taken 1 teaspoon each of red chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, oregano and mixed herbs and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's add this masala mixture to the veggies and add salt as per taste and mix well. Now here I've taken 2 cups of macaroni pasta and mixed it. Add sufficient water for the macaroni to soak well. You can add more water if required. I have added some more butter to enhance the taste and make it more creamy. Simmer it on low to medium flame till the macaroni is soft and done. And don't forget to stir occasionally. What's a pasta without some cheese? चीज तो बनता है ना बॉस. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त, तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त. Look how cheesy and creamy it turned out to be. Now switch off the flame and it's ready to serve. It looks so delicious and mouth-watering. Now let's hurry up and serve it in a bowl. I just can't wait to eat it. Isn't it super easy? It looks delicious and super yummy. Here there's no need to boil the macaroni separately, drain it and again rinse it with cold water and all that. This is just as easy as easy peasy pasta cheesy. Isn't this Videshi food in Desi style? Let's have this yummy pasta. So let's taste this now. Very good. So tasty and creamy. See this? See? It's so cheesy and creamy. So if you like this video, do try it at home and leave your feedbacks in the comments below. And as you know the drill, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Now I'm gonna eat and enjoy.